guys, sorry I'm late. We landed on black. Mix it in here. Mix, mix, mix. Whoa, look at it. It looks so cool.
Welcome to the Fizzy Show!
Hulk has built world's biggest campfire!
Wow, Hulk, really nice job. Yeah, that's the biggest campfire I've ever seen. Oh, hey, here comes Spidey.
Hey guys, sorry I'm late. Wow, that's the biggest campfire I've ever seen. Great job, Hulk. Thank you. Where is...
Sorry I'm late.
There was a lot of traffic. Whoa, look at that fire. We're gonna have so much fun camping by the fire. Yeah, we really are. And I brought a bunch of fun squishies for us to play with. Yay, squishies! And they're all right here. I left them at home. Oh, I was really looking forward to playing with squishies during our vacation. Hey, maybe Fizzy can help. What can Fizzy do?
Oh, did I hear somebody say Fizzy? Fizzy!
Yes, hello everybody. Can I help you?
Yeah, I forgot my squishies. Can you help?
Oh, yes, Fizzy can help. We're going to play Fizzy's Diss Drop game.
Time for some Fizzy magic!
Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Fizzy, Bop. Whoop, there it is, Miss Hands. Give them a hand.
I'm happy to. Hi, everybody. It's me, Miss Hands, and we have our Diss Drop game here. Are there squishy making surprises inside? I think so. Let's find out. Let's go ahead and drop this disc. We landed on black. Let's see what's inside. I see these red foam balls, and I feel something else in here. Whoa! It's a lot of spiders! Those will be perfect for making a squishy. Let's drop the disc again. These spiders will be perfect in the squishies, but they kind of scare me. I'm scared of spiders. So let's drop the spider and drop the disc. Ooh, we landed on green. What is inside of green? Whoa, oh no, more spiders. We have lots of spiders and they are in clear slime. Oh, this will be awesome for making a squishy. Let's drop that disc again. All right, we landed on orange. Let's see what's inside of orange. We have, ooh, blue beads. That will look nice in a squishy. And, more spiders. So many spiders. Oh, that is a lot of spiders. Let's drop the disc again. Okay, here we go. Red. Time to see what's in the red box. We have a squishy skin and more spiders.
Sorry about all the spiders, Miss Hands, but it is Spider-Man.
Oh, I know, Fizzy. You did a great job.
Thanks, Miss Hands.
Let's drop another disc. This time we landed on purple. Okay, let's see what's inside the purple box. We have, ooh, it looks like red food dye. That can make slime red, just like Spider-Man. And what else do we have? Oh, more spiders. These squishies are gonna be spiderlicious. All right, let's drop the disc again. Here we go. It landed on yellow. Okay, let's see what's inside. We have another squishy skin. So we can make 2 squishies. And, oh no, spiders. And look, we have red glitter and blue glitter to match Spider-Man.
You don't even have to drop the last disc. We can just open up the blue box.
Let's see what's inside of the blue box. We have, oh, a giant, huge spider. I wonder if we can fit that in a squishy. We also have, yeah, you guessed it, more spiders. It's squishy making time. Yes, it is. Let's pump up our squishy skin and add some of our clear slime with spiders in there, of course. Go on in there. Let's add our giant spider to it. Oh, will he fit? Yes, it's in there. Let's add some red foam balls, blue beads, and a little more slime. Let's see how our squishy looks. This squishy looks amazing. Whoa, look, that was inside of the spider. So we have our slime, our red foam balls, and our big spider inside. There's a squishy and a squishy, and it's amazing.
I'm excited to see squishy number 2.
Me too. Let's add some red foam balls to slime and add a drop of red food coloring. Mix it in here. Mix, mix, mix. Whoa, look at it. It looks so cool. Mixing it all in here. Mixing it all in here. Ooh, that looks really cool. Okay, I think that's some good slime to start with. We'll just put it right in here. Now let's add some of these blue balls to it. Some spiders, of course. Ooh, we have a lot, so let's add some more. And now let's take more clear slime and add our blue glitter to it. Wow, that's a lot of glitter. Let's mix this all up. That looks so cool when the glitter is inside of the slime. Look at that. Super cool. Okay, let's add this. There we go. Let's add more spiders, more foam balls, more blue beads. And now let's take more clear slime and this time add all of our red glitter to it. Mix that in there. Oh, it looks so cool, doesn't it? Just keep mixing it in here. Whoa, don't pop out, glitter. You need to stay in that slime. There we go. There we go. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. And now we have incredible red glitter slime. And we'll put that in there. And of course, top it off with, you guessed it, a few more spiders. Okay, let's see how this squishy looks. This squishy looks amazing! Look at all the different colors. You can see the red glitter, the red foam balls, the blue glitter. Oh, and look at them all mixed together. I see all those spiders in there too. Wow, this is so cool. Check that out. Ah, spider! There are so many cool, interesting slimes in there. All the spiders. I think this squishy is my favorite today.
Me too! I absolutely love it! It is the perfect Spider-Man squishy! Thanks, Miss Hands, Fizzy, and Phoebe.
You are welcome! Yeah, we're always happy to help.
We hope you enjoyed watching, and we hope you have a fizzy, fantastic day!
We will!